Hello students, hope you all are fit and fine at home. Students, welcome back to you in English class. Students, today I am going to cover the topic that is the adverb. It is the topic of third class also and the fourth class also. Third class chapter number is 15 and the fourth class chapter number is 21. The name of the chapter is adverb. Okay students. Students, just to tell me, earlier you have studied about verb. So what do you mean by verb? Yes, action words or doing words are called verb. Like playing, running, writing, run, like all the words are verbs. So our today's topic is the adverb. It is must to know about verb before study the adverb. So you should know that what is verb, because adverb the topic is related with the verb. So now I am going to give you some examples. First is, we crossed the street safely. We crossed the street safely. Students, look at this example. We crossed the street safely. In this sentence, crossed word is verb. As I have told you that action words or doing words are called verb. Here crossed word is verb. And here one more safely word is added in this sentence. We crossed the street. If we write that we crossed the street, that is also completed sentence. But we added one more word, that is safely. That this word is called adverb. It is added to the verb that how they cross the road. They cross the road safely. It is telling that how they crossed. They crossed the road safely. Let's take one more example. Please read silently. Okay. Now look at this example. Please read silently. Now read word is a verb. Silently is an adverb that is added to the verb to describe the verb. Here silently is an adverb. Okay, now look at this chart. Adverb. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of a verb, that adds something to the meaning of a verb, that describes the meaning of a verb. That word is called adverb. Once again, look at the chart. An adverb is a word, that word which describes the meaning of a verb, that is called adverb. First is, let's take some examples. Example 1, the bus will arrive shortly. Bus will arrive shortly. Here in this sentence, shortly word is an adverb that telling us that bus will arrive shortly. When the bus will arrive. Then next is, we worked silently. How we worked? We worked silently. Third is, the bus comes here. The bus comes here. In the sentence, here word is describing the verb, that is here, is telling that where the bus will come. We must get up early. We must get up early. Early word is adverb. In these sentences, shortly, silently, here, early, these all the words are added to the verb to describe the meaning of a verb. So our next topic is kinds of adverb. Students, there are 4 types of adverb. First is, here is kinds of adverb. First is adverb of manner. Second is adverb of place. Third is adverb of time. Fourth is adverb of frequency. Okay. Here are four types of adverbs. First is adverb of manners. Students, look at the chart here. The words which describe how the actions are done are called adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner. They tell us that how the action is done. Let's take some examples. Some examples are on the book. Look at the page number 97, that is 4th class book. These girls walk slowly. Here I have taken one example. These girls walk slowly. How the girls walk? They walk slowly. These girls walked slowly. Here in this sentence, the word slowly is telling us that how the girls walked. That means it is called adverb of manners. Second is adverb of time. Adverbs of time. Here is the definition of adverbs of time. Look at the chart. The words which tell us when means about the timing. When the actions happen are called adverb of time. Let's take one example for this also. Complete your task today. When means today. It is telling us that when we have to complete a task, that we have to complete today itself. Okay. Now the next is adverbs of place. Third is adverb of place. Adverbs of place. The words which tell us where the actions happen. Where means about place they are telling. Where the actions happen are called adverbs of place. Let's take one example. My friend is going abroad. Now, as we discussed that adverb of place tells us about the place, that where the action is happened. Now tell me where the action is happened here. Now my friend is going abroad. My friend, where is going my friend? Yes, he is going to abroad. That means abroad word is an adverb. Next, the last kind of adverb is adverbs of frequency. Students, the words which tell us how often someone does something or how often something happens are called adverbs of frequency. They give the answer that how often. Let's take one example. She rarely meets me. Yes. How often she meets me? Yes, I am questioning that how often she meets me. Rarely. Now, rarely word is an adverb. Okay, students. Adverb. Let's revise once again. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of a verb, that adds something to the meaning of a verb, that describe the meaning of a verb. Yes, they tell us that how, where, when and how often the actions are happened. These all the words are called adverb. Okay. Now you have to solve the exercise related with this chapter. First, write the definition. As I have written on the chart, you have to also write that definition. 2 examples. You can take any example for that definition. Then after that, solve the exercise Third class exercise A and B, page number is 81 and 82. Fourth class exercise A, B, C, D. Full exercise, whole exercise you have to solve. Okay students, thank you.